Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to change type of Telegram group from public to private or from private to public, whatever you want. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on Telegram app icon. Select a group which you want to change type. Let's try this one. After that, press on this icon. Click on this icon. Tap on group type. Here you have two options. First one, private group. Second one, public group. Let's try first one. Private group can only be joined if you were invited or have an invite link. If you scroll down a little bit, here you can find invite link. You can copy from this icon or you can share to your friends by pressing here. Let's go back. This is for first option, private group. If you want to make group a public, you can select here. Public group can be found in search. Chat history is available to everyone and anyone can join. You can select whatever you want. After that, press on this icon. Now you already changed group from public to private. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to change type of Telegram group from public to private or from private to public. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.